What's going on, guys? And in this video, I just want to tell you like some tools that you need before the actual tools that you need before you start Amazon. And pretty much I'm not going to show you any tools, actual tools like the Scotty Peeler or a laptop, or no, these are actual tools that's just built within you. You need to have like motivation. You need to have like drive. You need to have like passion. You need to have energy. Some of these things you're going to definitely need to have because it's definitely a long job. It can be. There are days when I get off my other job and I'm literally boxing until 5 in the morning, and that's just life. That is what it is. But behind that drive comes success. You know, it takes a lot of hard work in order for your work to pay off, and that's the truth. A lot of people want overnight success. You know, like right now, my sales, to me, I wish they were more, but at the same time, I know in the long run they will be, because of the drive and the energy that I'm putting in. My work is showing forth and showing fruit. So if you're out there, no matter what you do, really, I mean, no matter what your job is, if you're passionate about something, you should be able to go out there and give your all. And knowing, even if you're working at a job like McDonald's, if you're out there and giving your all and giving your passionate, eventually somebody's going to recognize that. You never know. They might give you a promotion. They might give you a bump. They might try to steal you away from McDonald's and get you another job. Or you may return that passion and you might have an idea. You might run into somebody who might give you the necessity, the certain tools that you need to help you with your business. So, I mean, that just comes all with your passion and your drive. Somebody's always watching you, always looking out for you. Somebody's always trying to hate on you. Somebody's always trying. So just remember that. So if you're going somewhere and you're doing it half, but you're probably not going to be as successful as you want to be. I'm not saying you're not going to be successful at all, because there's tons of evidence of people who are goofballs in their success. So I'm not trying to say that at all, but I'm talking about the eyes, the view of you actually being successful. And success is different to other people. You know, to me, success is financial stability. Success to me is having a stable relationship. Success to me is having a good family base. Success to me is a lot more than just, you know, my job description. So if you want to be successful, just that's in you. It's already in you. It's out there for you to go get. So I just want to motivate y'all, man, because to me, what I feel like, it was a long time. You know, so I was gone for 9 years of my life, and I thought I would never, I want to say the word, catch up to the world. And the sad reality is, I feels like I'm almost already caught up, you know, and I've been home a little over about 3 years. Yeah, going on 3 years. So success is, it's all about your drive. Whatever you put in, I see it every day. People, they feel like they're privileged. They feel like they should get something. They feel like you're not deserved nothing in this world. Nothing, you know. None of us asked to be here, but at the same time, we aren't deserved anything, you know what I'm saying, especially as adults. It's time to really get on our feet, get motivated for ourselves, no matter what our situation is, you know. Homelessness, job loss, bad background, regardless of what it is, get on your feet. There's opportunity out there. No excuses. And that's just my little quick word for the day. My next video, I'm trying to drop some tools that y'all actually need when you actually start your Amazon account. So I'm gonna have a little layout for y'all and let you know exactly what you need. But I just want to drop that this little quick message, man, because I was at my Tar Heel game yesterday, and just seeing the motivation and the passion that people we have for our teams, it's a wonderful thing. But we need to be passionate about other things. We need to be passionate about our well-being, because us yelling and screaming for our favorite team ain't putting nothing in our pockets, unless you're gambling. But that's a whole nother story. Yeah, that's just a little quick Tay's word of the day. And hope y'all have a wonderful day, a blessed day, a prosperous day.